All right, so this is the water remover from a. This is for a four-cylinder Yanmar diesel. Now I'm relatively certain this thing is made overseas. I think it was like $30 or something. I got it on eBay. Um, but I got to take the other one out, and I'll show you why. I believe I'm having problems. The colder it gets, the worse the. This is for a backhoe. The worse it runs, but I think this probably applies to pretty much any four-cylinder Yanmar that uses this water separator setup. So let's go take a look. All right, so here it is. This is a Yanmar construction loader backhoe, CBL, or backhoe loader, CBL29. And I said this was made overseas. Of course it was. It's a Yanmar. They all are. But what I mean is I don't believe it's original equipment. So I traced these lines all the way back to the tank. And I don't believe there's any problem with the lines. I believe the problem is this little piece comes out, and I believe that there's supposed to be an O-ring that seals that, and I don't think it's sealing well. And the more viscous the fluid gets, the more it tends to want to suck an air bubble in there. And so these ones, I don't know if there's O-rings in there, but it appears that it's been glued in there. And I don't know exactly where to get the O-ring. So I'm gonna take these fuel lines off. It appears that it's just one bolt that holds it in, and we're gonna swap this thing out for the new one. And I believe that's gonna fix our problem of this thing running like crap the colder it gets. So I think we can do this whole project with a 12mm and these pliers. So let's start with the fuel line. Alright, that's that. Dry as a bone. That's never a good sign, is it? So we can hook that in, and then try to grab that other one. I don't know how well you guys can see. I'm kind of experimenting with a head cam, so if it sucks, I'm sorry. That. I don't know if you can see, I'm putting the back fuel connector on, hooking that up, and I'll try to bring the clip up on the back. I'll wait on the front one because I can reach it, but this one I can't really reach at all. Alright, so hopefully you guys can see this. I'll try to get the camera in position. It's pretty straightforward, right? One bolt. I mean, it almost seems like it's too easy, right? Like one bolt, what's gonna go wrong? But hopefully it won't. So there's that. Maybe that drain line I can swap over. There that goes. Switch direction. Got that on nice and tight. That doesn't seem like it's going anywhere. Alright. And then we'll grab this. And that's in the flow position. See about getting that thing off. That thing's not going to be flexible enough. It's been sitting on there a good number of years. Whoop. Yes, sir. Drippy, drippy. Help this wood to burn better later. I can't believe this thing has any fuel with which to start, but hey, here's hoping, right? No way. Okay, I see it's filling up with fuel. The pump's still going, so that's good. We'll give that thing a few minutes to get all settled in, and then we'll give it another try. I know, air bubbles and all. I think that's the for real one. Alright, so I do kind of like the OE stuff, so I'll probably try to pull this thing apart and then either glue these things in like they did or see if I can find the appropriate O-ring so that this seals. And I have another one in case I ever have any problems with the one that I just got. So this is the actual part number that I ordered off of eBay. And the last 5 digits are the same. The first 6 digits are something different. And I'll show the original one for the CBL40. But this is what I ordered, and as you can see, it fits and it works for the water separator. So this this works, and then I'll give the information on the correct part number, but it costs a lot more. All right, so here's the part number for my actual CBL40, but it's not the one I used, and I imagine a lot of these 4-cylinder Yanmars are similar, where, you know, the water separator assembly will work across different platforms. But this is me changing it, and it worked out well, and I'm sharing it with you. Hopefully it's useful. Thanks for watching, and I hope it helped out.